What's going on, everybody? Ash here from CloserX, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up advanced post-call analysis from CloserX using your voice AI agents to do even more advanced automations in the backend for setting up different approaches to your leads using the voice AI, and also mixing it up with different basically channels such as SMS, email, or anything such as these channels. So if you're interested in this video, stay with me. Okay, so without wasting any time, I just dived into my dashboard on CloserX. I also have a ready-to-use assistant right here, which I have given the prompt already. Everything is ready with this assistant, and just for the sample, I'm just gonna call myself one time before setting up the process of the post-call analysis, and then just for the sake of sample, so you guys see how this agent is basically working. So I'm just gonna name myself simply as this. I'm gonna select phone number. Then I'm also gonna paste my number right here, which should be this one. And okay, let's have a call. Okay, let's get this call and see how it goes. Okay, so here I am receiving the call right now. Let's see how it goes.
Talking with Ashkan?
Hello, who is this?
Hi, Ashkan. This is Jennifer from Solar Boss. Are you still the homeowner of your current property?
Oh, yes, I am. So what is this about?
Well, the reason for my call, Ashkan, is that there's a new government program that just rolled out in your state. It offers a no-cost, out-of-pocket solar upgrade for homeowners in your neighborhood. With this program, there's a possibility to reduce your electric bill by up to 40%. Has anybody come by to talk to you about this yet?
Yeah, I've received these similar calls so many times. So
I
what is the
totally
difference?
understand.
Yeah.
Understand, Ashkan. It can feel overwhelming to hear about this often. The reason this program is being promoted so much is because it's a fantastic opportunity for homeowners like yourself to save significantly on energy costs. Just to clarify, this program works by replacing your high electric bill with a much lower fixed solar bill, which could save you up to 40% or more on your energy costs. Would it be all right if I asked a few quick questions to see if you might qualify?
Yeah, you can go ahead and ask me those questions, but make it quick.
Got it, Ashkan. I'll keep it quick. First, just to get an idea of your energy usage, would you say your monthly electric bill is typically more or less than $100?
Oh yeah, it's actually above 200 bucks a month. So does that make sense?
That makes perfect sense, Ashkan, and actually, it's a great starting point for potential savings. Now, the next thing, are there any trees on your property that might block out the sun?
Actually, there's totally no shadows here, so you should be good to go.
That's awesome, Ashkan. Good sunlight exposure is definitely a big plus for solar. Now, one last thing to check this program typically requires a credit score of around 650 or higher. Would that be something you'd be comfortable with?
Yes, I'm pretty fine with that.
Perfect, Ashkan. Based on everything you've shared, it sounds like you'd be an excellent candidate for this program. The next step would be to connect you with one of our certified solar advisors for a quick consultation. They'll come to your home and explain everything in detail, including how the program works and the potential savings. Would you prefer to schedule that consultation for today, tomorrow, or the day after?
Actually, to be honest, I don't really have the time for that consultation because we are doing some renovations and stuff. So if we can schedule a call back, that would be fine.
I totally understand, Ashkan. Renovations can be a busy time. When would be the best time for us to give you a call back? And just to confirm, what time zone are you in?
Okay, so basically I'm in Dubai time zone, and you can call me back on tomorrow, maybe afternoon.
Got it, Ashkan. We'll make sure you get a call back tomorrow afternoon in your Dubai time zone. Thank you for your time and good luck with the renovations. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for your time, Ashkan. We'll call you back tomorrow afternoon as requested. Have a great day and take care.
Okay, that's about it. As you guys can see, I asked for a callback. Nothing really weird happened here. But here's the thing. The callback is not going to get initiated even though I asked for it. So in case you want to have such a workflow that is going to basically handle callbacks or anything like that, you are going to have you're going to have to obviously set up different kinds of workflows using the post call analysis tags here on CloserX. and also the workflows on Go High Level. So in case you want to do such a thing, I've also basically made you guys a really simple prompt over here. So let me actually show it to you. So this prompt that you're seeing right here is basically trying to make the call categorized into 9 different outcomes, which are no bill, bill by night. So you guys can disregard that basically. So basically the rest of them is more important. So it's meeting booked, it's basically interested, callback, warm, not interested, voicemail, or even not picked up. So you have to copy such a prompt, which you can also pause the video and read it yourself, and then basically come over here in the post call data retrieval. You just create a new basically enum. So after that, actually, let me just do something here. You name it outcome, for example. You give it a description. The description is going to be the prompt. And then basically you give it choices. So here we have 7 different choices. So one is meeting booked. You click enter. One is callback. You click enter. One is voicemail. You click enter. One is not pick up. Again, clicking enter. Interested. Not interested. Actually, the next one is warm, not interested. So that's about it. You basically click save, and here's the thing. The next time a call ends, one of these 7 different tags are going to be added to that particular client, right, on your Go High Level. So I'm going to save it, and we also have to go back to Go High Level just in case. So let's assume that, actually, let's see if I have my phone number here ready. So give me one moment. Okay, sorry about the quick cut off between the video. My cat was basically it's destroying the whole room. I had to get rid of him. Okay, so actually let me get myself a quick contact here. Looks like I already have the contact. Okay, so this is my contact basically. So now I'm gonna show you something. Let's test it out. So you have to get in the workflow basically. And after you got into your workflow, I'm gonna just set up a simple workflow from scratch. Okay, here we have it. And then I'm gonna initiate the call using basically the tag. So this tag is gonna be tag added test call. Test call. Okay, add new tag, save the trigger, and then the next one is you have to type in AI call agent, which is for CloserX especially and specifically, and then you select your campaign. Okay, I actually forgot to set up a campaign, which I've also previously told you guys how to do such a thing. So let's go over to CloserX and also do that. So I'm gonna set up a new campaign right here. We go to the campaigns, we create a new campaign. It's gonna be an API one. I'm just gonna test it, name it test for video. Test for video analysis. I did even spell it wrong, most likely. Okay, I'm gonna select my agent, the phone number, and start it. That's it. Okay. So we go back to Go High Level. You select your campaign. You obviously have to refresh the whole thing. So let me just save it before refreshing it. Actually, name this one also. So this test. And then let me see if we do need a refresh. Okay, looks like we don't even need a refresh. My calendar, I'm gonna choose this calendar. And then custom inputs, I don't really need one. So here's the key thing after each call. So you want your basically leads to go through the whole process. So you set up a wait module here, and crank it up to 3 minutes or even 5 minutes, just for the safe side, because most likely the maximum amount of the conversation is going to be 5 minutes if they even book an appointment. So let's assume that 5 minutes is enough. I'm going to save this action, and then after that you're going to see what happens next. So I'm just going to pause the workflow from here, pause the workflow creation, and show you guys how this actually works. So we go back to let's see, we go back to this part, our contacts, and basically this was the contact which we were playing with. So you guys see these tags right here. I'm gonna remove them all. Actually, let me remove all of the tags for this contact and show you guys the new ones. Okay, this should be working fine right now. Okay, now let's add the new tag that's created. It was test call, I believe. So okay, now when I add this tag, I'm gonna be getting a call right now, and after that, let's see how it goes. Let's just wait for the call to be initiated. I hope I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, I'm receiving the call right now. I'm gonna answer the phone call, and I'm gonna ask for I'm gonna show dissatisfaction, so I get a tag of not interested, and you guys are gonna see what happens.
Talking with Fareed?
Yes, who is this?
Hi, Fareed. This is Jennifer from Solar Boss. Are you still the homeowner of your property?
Hey, is this one of the solar calls or stuff like that? I'm not really into these solar panels anymore.
I totally understand, Fareed. Solar isn't for everyone, but the reason I'm calling is that there's a new government program in your...
Please take me off your list. Please don't bother me anymore. Take me off your list, or I'm going to sue you.
I understand, Fareed. It'll make sure to note that you're not interested, and we won't bother you again. Thank you for your time, and have a great day. Goodbye.
Thank you. So that's about it. You guys see it? And then, you know what? I'm going to be tagged as not interested, most likely. So let's go back to Go High Level and check what happened next. I'm going to refresh the page and see if I got the tag, basically. So let's see if it worked in the correct way. If it didn't, then we are probably missing out a little point at somewhere. So let's check it out real quick. Okay, you guys can see. So I got the test call tag, which just initiated the call. Agent hang up, because the agent hung up the call, not me. Negative is just the default outcome, which CloserX tags the leads by itself. And also here it is, the not interested tag, which I created personally. And then after that, I'm gonna show you what you are capable of doing with such a system using the post-call analysis tags. So let's assume that such a thing happened. You go back to the automations. For some random reason, it's not opening up for me, so I'm gonna just pause the video for a second, and actually I don't really have to. It looks like it. This is playing around with me. Okay, so we go back to the workflow. And as you guys can see, I should be sitting here in the wait module, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so let's see. Let's say I got the tag here, so my client is waiting here. So I create an if-else condition right here. If-else condition. So based on that, now I'm going to explain you the potential of this system. Based on the outcome of the call, which is going to tag the lead accordingly, you're going to set up multiple if-else conditions and basically different campaigns and different set of workflows and sequences based on the tag or the post-call analysis. That's the whole thing. So all of this comes down to this point. So you can set up if-else conditions and basically do follow-ups with interested people, basically opt out the not interested people, or anything like that, or anything that comes out of your creativity. So that should be about it, guys. I'm not gonna waste any of your time, and I hope you've learned how to simply use this post-call analysis feature on CloserX plus Go High Level, obviously, because this post-call analysis is mostly gonna be useful when you're creating multiple automations on Go High Level for following up, for asking for a callback, or doing anything like that. Also, don't forget to go to CloserX.ai using your browser and use the free trial for 7 days. On top right corner of the website, you can see the free trial version. You click on it, you submit your information, and you get access to 7 days of free trial to CloserX voice agents. So without wasting any of your time again, see you in the next one. Peace out for now.